Hello, little one. Let's learn some phonics today. Are you ready? Let's get started.
A. Repeat after me. A. Repeat after me. A. R. Did you hear it? R. Repeat after me. R. A is for apple. Great! Let's try it one more time. A. R. A is for apple. Good job! B. Repeat after me. B. Repeat after me. B. B. Did you hear it? B. Repeat after me. B. B is for ball. Great! Let's try it one more time. B. B. B is for ball. Good job! C. Repeat after me. C. Repeat after me. C. Car. Did you hear it? Car. Repeat after me. Car. C is for cat. Great! Let's try it one more time. C. Car. C is for cat. Good job! D. Repeat after me. D. Repeat after me. D. Da. Did you hear it? Da. Repeat after me. Da. D is for dog. Great! Let's try it one more time. D. Da. D is for dog. Good job! E. Repeat after me. E. Repeat after me. E. A. Did you hear it? A. Repeat after me. A. E is for elephant. Great! Let's try it one more time. E. A. E is for elephant. Good job! F. Repeat after me. F. Repeat after me. F. For. Did you hear it? For. Repeat after me. For. F is for fish. Great! Let's try it one more time. F. For. F is for fish. Good job! G. Repeat after me. G. Repeat after me. G. G. Did you hear it? G. Repeat after me. G. J is for goat. Great! Let's try it one more time. G. G. J is for goat. Good job! H. Repeat after me. H. Repeat after me. H. Ha. Did you hear it? Ha. Repeat after me. Ha. H is for horse. Great. Let's try it one more time. H. Ha. H is for horse. Good job. I. Repeat after me. I. Repeat after me. I. Did you hear it? I. Repeat after me. I is for ice cream. Great. Let's try it one more time. I is for ice cream. Good job. J. Repeat after me. J. Repeat after me. J. Jaw. Did you hear it? Jaw. Repeat after me. Jaw. J is for juice. Great. Let's try it one more time. J. Jaw. J is for juice. Good job. K. Repeat after me. K. Repeat after me. K. Car. Did you hear it? Car. Repeat after me. Car. K is for kite. Great. Let's try it one more time. K. Car. K is for kite. Good job. L. Repeat after me. L. Repeat after me. L. La. Did you hear it? La. Repeat after me. La. L is for line. Great. Let's try it one more time. L. La. L is for line. Good job. M. Repeat after me. M. Repeat after me. M. Ma. Did you hear it? Ma. Repeat after me. Ma. M is for monkey. Great. Let's try it one more time. M. Ma. M is for monkey. Good job. N. Repeat after me. N. Repeat after me. N. Na. Did you hear it? Na. Repeat after me. Na. N is for nest. Great. Let's try it one more time. N. Na. N is for nest. Good job. O. Repeat after me. O. Repeat after me. O. Aw. Did you hear it? Aw. Repeat after me. Aw. O is for orange. Great. Let's try it one more time. O. Aw. O is for orange. Good job. P. Repeat after me. P. Repeat after me. P. Paw. Did you hear it? Paw. Repeat after me. Paw. P is for parrot. Great! Let's try it one more time. P. Paw. P is for parrot. Good job! Q. Repeat after me. Q. Repeat after me. Q. Quaw. Did you hear it? Quaw. Repeat after me. Quaw. Q is for queen. Great! Let's try it one more time. Q. Quaw. Q is for queen. Good job! R. Repeat after me. R. Repeat after me. R. Raw. Did you hear it? Raw. Repeat after me. Raw. R is for rabbit. Great! Let's try it one more time. R. Raw. R is for rabbit. Good job! S. Repeat after me. S. Repeat after me. S. Saw. Did you hear it? Saw. Repeat after me. Saw. S is for sun. Great! Let's try it one more time. S. Saw. S is for sun. Good job! T. Repeat after me. T. Repeat after me. T. Taw. Did you hear it? Taw. Repeat after me. Taw. T is for tomato. Great! Let's try it one more time. T. Taw. T is for tomato. Good job! U. Repeat after me. U. Repeat after me. U. U. Did you hear it? U. Repeat after me. U. U is for unicorn. Great! Let's try it one more time. U. U. U is for unicorn. Good job! V. Repeat after me. V. Repeat after me. V. V. Did you hear it? V. Repeat after me. V. V is for van. Great! Let's try it one more time. V. V. V is for van. Good job! W. Repeat after me. W. Repeat after me. W. War. Did you hear it? War. Repeat after me. War. W is for watch. Great! Let's try it one more time. W. War. W is for watch. Good job! X. Repeat after me. X. Repeat after me. X. X. Did you hear it? X. Repeat after me. X. X is for X-ray. Great! Let's try it one more time. X. X. X is for X-ray. Good job! Y. Repeat after me. Y. Repeat after me. Y. Yeah. Did you hear it? Yeah. Repeat after me. Yeah. Y is for yo-yo. Great! Let's try it one more time. Y. Yeah. Y is for yo-yo. Good job! Z. Repeat after me. Z. Repeat after me. Z. Z. Did you hear it? Z. Repeat after me. Z. Z is for zoo. Great! Let's try it one more time. Z. Z. Z is for zoo. Good job!